Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Acuity Scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you prevent last-minute bookings in Acuity Scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to prevent last-minute bookings in Acuity anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing coaching, kind of annoying to get a booking and have to immediately jump into the call without being prepared. So to help prevent that, you can go ahead and set up a buffer time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity Scheduling account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity Scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to prevent last minute bookings, here on the left side, you want to click on availability. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on global scheduling limits. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top, and you want to make sure you click on general. Once you do that, you're going to look for these right here. So minimum hours is the minimum amount of hours they have to schedule in advance. So you can see I have mine for 12 hours. So if they scheduled right now in my calendar, they're not going to be able to book an appointment for at least the next 12 hours. So if you need more time to prepare, you might want to increase that. So for example, we got 12 hours. Let's go ahead and increase that up to 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. So this is not going to override your current calendar settings. So for example, if they're looking at your appointment calendar at 11 o'clock at night, they're not going to be able to schedule until 11 o'clock the following night. But if you don't have any business hours, that means they're not going to be able to schedule until the morning of that 36 hours or so later. If you're okay with that and 24 hours is your minimum, go ahead and click on Save Changes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to prevent last-minute bookings in your Acuity Scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.